See, he started talking again.
Don't talk,
You added
okay.
the
So I
tomato
added the
sauce.
tomato, okay? The tomato is just blended. It's, I prefer the one that's the whole tomato so you see what you eat.
Right.
Okay. And then you just put, when the pancetta is melt, you put the tomato, you put the salt, of course. Com'è l'olio?
Buonissimo.
Buono, vero? It's a good, very good. You have the olive oil in there, but if you taste it by itself, it's very, very good.
Sure is.
Lo prendo all'uscita di Fiano Romano, verso
ok.
Vienne, subito di...
Tomatoes actually outside the
Mm-hmm.
quantity about tomatoes.
Okay, so it starts. Then we have to talk about the pasta al dente, which is a mysterious mystery.
In a way.
So in the box is somewhere written the minutes of cooking, okay? So it's 9 minutes for the spaghetti barilla. In Italy, we take it out at about 7 minutes, and then we put in the hot sauce, and it's continuous cooking. Okay? We really like to have the spaghetti that you have the bite, crunchy, not so crunchy, but you have to feel the bite. Otherwise, it's too soft. Okay? So I don't know if you like in this way. I just cook it half and half. Okay, in the middle from Rome to the States.
Yeah, but that's the problem we have usually when we travel, because of course pasta, if it's overcooked, then we don't like it when it's mushy. So it's supposed to be crispy, as she said. So that's why you always do. Okay, says 8 minutes. Let's do 6. So you want to play 6.
You know,
because
I prepare-
Usually we don't like it when it's mushy.
Two Saturday ago, I don't remember that so much. 2 days ago, 2 kilos, which are 2 kilos is on 8 pounds, about 8 pounds of pasta, short pasta, not spaghetti, cooked al dente, put in the car. I had a huge pan like this with the hot cup, how do you say, the lid, with the lid on top. Put in the car, half an hour, 25 minutes of driving, there was a party, put in there, it was still al dente.
Which is great.
Yeah, still al dente. It was spaghetti alla pasta
Although
alla
we're
matrina.
used to this, sometimes since I meet people all the time, sometimes people tell me, how come this is still raw? But it's not, I mean, it's the only way we do
Then
pasta.
leave me your name, I want to
yeah.
follow
That's
you.
what I'm used
Yes,
to.
I will give that to you.
Of course. Yeah, I can really say that.
Okay, so it goes, we just turn the fire a little bit higher for the pasta, and this goes.